Good evening to all. An act of kindness will never go waste, and people will always remember how you made them feel. It's a very rare quality of the mind. It can win the hearts, it can heal the wounds and pain. The reward of kindness is the happiness which we make others, which we give to others, and which we derive when we do a small act of kindness without expecting anything back. We can strongly believe that happiness given will definitely come back to us in double measure. All the great leaders have pointed out the importance of developing kindness while interacting with others, especially those who hurt us. Today, in this world, we face a lot of issues. At the time of the pandemic COVID-19, we are all inside our homes, and the life has become so tough. And we have heard about the stories of small acts of kindness from others and how that has made those acts of kindness that have made the lives change. The purpose of education is character formation, which I strongly believe. It is highly determined that kindness must be developed in the young minds, and that alone will unite people, fill the gap between the countries, forgetting about the differences in languages, religion and culture. People have to come together to face the problems which they come across in life. In Hosur Public School, we develop kids. We prepare them for lives, to be successful in their lives by strengthening their life skills, values and the character. Of course, academic excellence is very much important, but along with that, strong foundation in character is highly important for one to face life and to be successful. Especially kindness, empathy and compassion to others. So on this occasion, let me express my gratitude to the management of Hosur Public School and the teachers and the parents of Hosur Public School and all my students, and especially the students of my students belonging to Student Council Group, and the teacher Navida Miss Dhana, who all helped me in organizing this wonderful event on this day. And I am so thankful to Kindness Connect for giving us an opportunity to express what kindness means to us. Our kids from KG to grade 12 are coming before you today, and they are all going to show you, they are all going to express what kindness means to them through stories, through art, through songs and through dance, through various ways. So all the art forms, they all help in connecting people. So wishing you all the very best, my dear children, on this occasion. And let us all be the harbingers in spreading kindness everywhere. So those who visit our stall, kindly post a comment. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the very best.